Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what we have right here are some glass containers that are leak proof and airtight seal as well. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and they call it Snapware. And for the set that we got right here is 18 piece, so that includes the lid as well. But you see from the photo, this is what the product looks like. And they have these available in many different sizes. So if you guys turn around to the side right here, they tell you guys what's included. And if you guys turn around to this side, they probably got some more specs and features that's on here as well. And they also mention how on the lid you do have the option to raise stuff on there and raise it really easily if you guys do want to. And also for these containers, they are fridge safe, freezer safe, microwave safe, and also I believe oven safe as well. And then if you guys want to throw in the dishwasher to wash it, you do have the option as well. But here is basically what the packing looks like. Let me open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, that is basically what the package looks like inside. So they're all separated with the lid and also the glass itself. So it's going to be hard for me to show you guys from this point of view. So I'm actually bring over the table and take everything out to show you guys what each one looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the box. Let me actually take it out and put it on the table to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, this is what's included inside. So they do provide you guys like the plastic lids, the glass containers, and everything else. So I'm going to put on all the lids for each one and put them separately on the table to show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys take all of them out, here is basically what the product looks like. So they basically provide you guys 2 of the small ones, 2 of these bigger circle ones, 2 of these big square ones, 2 of these small rectangles, and 1 big rectangle. And the way how they design these lids are pretty high quality. It's not like a cheap lid or anything, even though it's plastic. And we see the way how they design the lid, it definitely has a pretty good seal on here to prevent any leakage, but we will test it out in a second. But based in here, the material, it is plastic, whereas for this part right here, it is glass, you guys in here. And the way how you guys close the lid is actually very easy. Just put it on top, it only fits one way. And you just want to close each side just like that, very simple. And you do have the option to stack all of them together if you guys want to. And the way how to design the lid on the side, they do have this very nice design, so that way when you guys stack it together, if you guys try to move it around, it won't fall off as easy, which is pretty cool. And also the lid, it actually mentions how you guys can write on here if you guys want to. So if I bring it up close, you guys see right here how they mentioned that it is writable, so you guys can write stuff on here and erase it really easily. So here is a close-up view of what the product looks like for each different container. And you can see the way how they designed the lid is actually pretty cool. Like I mentioned, they do have the gap inside so that way the water cannot come out. And then right next to that, we do have the silicone layer to prevent the water from leaking out, which is pretty nice. But this is what the product looks like when you guys do take it all out. So that is basically everything that's included in this set. Now let's do a quick leak proof test to show you guys whether or not the product is leak proof or not. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's test it out to see whether or not it's actually leak proof. So I'm gonna open up the lid first. And let's pour some water in. Alright, so that should be enough. Let's close back up the lid. Alright, so that should be good. Let's test it out. So you can see when we tilt the product on here, it is leak proof. None of the water leaks out. But if you guys shake it, literally none of the water comes out, which is definitely pretty nice. So the actual product is leak proof. So if you guys want to put like soup or anything else in here, you definitely can. And because the way how they design the product, it gives you guys like an airtight seal. So that way you guys can keep the product fresher for a longer period of time, especially if you guys want to do like meal prep or something. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, you can definitely see that it does work and should work quite well. So you can see when we do use the product, it's leak proof. So that way if you guys want to put like liquid inside, that won't be an issue. And if you guys ever used this brand's product before, you guys would know that they do make high quality product. I've been using the other glass container for a really long time and it's been working really well. The one that I've been using has like a silicone lid, whereas with this one is a plastic lid. But the good thing about these is the fact that it does give you guys a better seal than the other ones, which are pretty nice. So if you guys want to use it to store like leftover food, or if you guys want to use it for meal prep, you guys can definitely use it how you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality glass containers that has a similar design as these right here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, Downstairs you don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.